Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5083769 or KB5082417 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to run these PowerShell command. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command and then paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now run the third command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now run the last command. Now once this is done, now restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. These commands will do these things. Now still not working, the next step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to again automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on restart, make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can go back. Now go to Windows Update. If you see retry option, you can hit retry and then check. Still not working, the next step is to pause and restart the update. So you can go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause away. Once paused, now click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, the next step is to run these three commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Now over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5083769, and then click on search. Now over here check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version, in my case it's version 25H2, and then check your system type. So go to system in Windows settings, scroll down, go to about option, and here you can check the system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system. Now so for me it's Windows 11 version 25, Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5083769, click on it, and then run this run this file. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually and then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, close all third-party application and services on your computer. If you have like any antivirus program, you can disable your antivirus program till the time you are installing the update. Once you're done installing the update, you can enable your antivirus program once again. Uninstall third-party anti-cheat program like if you have Faceit anti-cheat, if you have Riot Vanguard running, close it. You can uninstall this application, restart your PC, and then check. Next step is to fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your PC and then check. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. And then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds, so maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, restart your computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.